Just having a check on the comments. Okay, interesting. I need to create an account to the Earth Data website and then use an access token to get the data. That's cool. Okay. Was not really documented in the file, or I just have a quick check, but that's a feedback from Smarzaro, and we can actually use that. That's great. Just Earth Data. Okay, and get an access token. Yes, it's not working. What is uptime? Oh, yes. That's everything that is processed by the mineral server by the foundation. But I'm not sure. It's not related to who did it. That seems to be a private project. Okay. No questions? Seems not. Yes, we have one question in the chat from Trisha Namani, sorry. History change concept in OSM data, because you saw me clicking on this button. Is that so? Krishna Mani? You can open your microphone if you want. So I'm not sure to.
Hello, so is my voice audible?
Yes.
So
Yes,
actually,
we can hear you very well.
the thing was that I wanted to apply for a freelancing job, and they were asking me this question, and I didn't know the answer to it. That's why I asked you.
The history change concept. I mean that if the history change concept. I'm not sure what they intend about that, but if the checking the history in OpenStreetMap or not, because of course the history of every object is known in OpenStreetMap. From the editor, you can check in the history of any existing object, not the deleted ones. There is also other tool to access actually the deleted objects, but any object like this one, that is a primary road. If I can check on the history, basically this this data has been downloaded on my computer. It will, by clicking of it, it will check on the OSM server its history based on its ID. Okay, and have the list of all the versions of this object. Okay, since it has been mapped the first time, it was in very long time in 2007. So 70 years ago by this person. And you can even, that's a bit of the concept as in Wikipedia, you can compare two versions. So if I compare the last current version with the first one, you can see the differences between the tags, okay? And you can see, well, of course, that it was put in V1 and everything has changed apparently. And you can see that this one has been implemented since V14, and this one is pretty new because this change of the name that is what I showed just before has been made by the same person actually. So between these two, he just changed some geometry, but after he made a new version, some months after that he changed the name of this highway. By Lake Tekapo, updated the geometry near modify street name to primary highway near. Okay, that's yeah. Maybe he's right, maybe not. He's obviously not a local mapper and made some assumption made of primary highway that is near to this one. That's all we know. Okay, but you can check all the history of the object. You can see that had been processed by different editors, OSM, Portlatch, ID. Since at least 2011, apparently this information was not recorded before. Maybe it was, I don't remember the current 0.6 API, if it's when it appeared, if it's at that time or not. I don't know, because I started in OpenStreetMap 2010. I think it was already 0.6, the current one. That's why you don't have the information. That's why your question.
Yes, actually, even I replied them the same thing that you just explained, and they didn't
Okay.
even rectify me or say like I was correct. So I was still confused whether I did reply the correct
Yes.
answer.
I don't know. That's historic change concept, but I don't know. There is also an historical change in the license, for example, in 2012. But I think it was more related to the history of the object, or the version of the object. Okay.